Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am doing a video that I promised you guys. I am going to share with you my monogram and black leather handbags. I am so in love with monogram and black leather. I don't know why Louis Vuitton does not put out more bags like that. If you are interested to see what I have to share with you today and what's next in my collection, stick around. Before we get started, I just wanted to say there are 3 bags up here on this top shelf, and those are the only items from my vlog sale that have not sold. So the kitty cat, the Coach handbag is still $75. I had a couple people ask about it, but nobody ever came through. And then the Teddy Blake, I'm going to reduce to $100, and the STAUD bag, $100. All right, guys, so I'm going to share with you my handbag of the weekend. So we are expecting a blizzard. So Keith and I have been out today. We went to eat and we had to go buy a few groceries and just running around today. So this is the bag that I used and I love it. I don't have the charm on it because it's on, well, it's on another bag sitting here, but normally I have a charm on this bag, but I'm thinking about getting one of those round monogram charms to go with this because I think monogram and ebene is really pretty together. Now, you know how they fold Speedies? This never has really come out, and I like to wear it floppy. There is no organizer in this bag, and that's just exactly the way I love to wear it, and I enjoy this bag so much. So I have something to share with you that I found on Amazon, and it's dare I say that out loud, but I only bought one because I wasn't sure. I may go back and get a couple more colors, but it is a belt. So it looks very much like Hermes. It's got the little turn thing here. I don't know what that's called, but anyway, it's gold and black. And the reason I chose this one is because I have the CDC bracelet that's black and gold. I thought that would be really pretty if I had on like a black jumpsuit and this around my waist. And the best part about it is it's adjustable. So one size will fit most. So look at this. If you're tiny or bigger, you can just pull it out like that. That's a great idea, you guys. I don't know why more belts aren't like that, but there are no holes in the belt. There's just one area, but this is where you adjust it. So I can wear it with jeans, you know, lower on my hips, or the reason I really bought it is because I want to wear it with jumpsuits, and I think it's really cute, and it's like $23, you guys, so I'm gonna put it in the description box for you. But yeah, look at that. I'm thinking about getting a black one with silver because I like to wear black and silver, and then I think I'm just going to get like the kind of camel color and gold, and then that's it. But there's all colors to choose from, you guys, so check these belts out if you're interested. I have a few bags to get through. We're just going to kind of talk about each one of them very quickly, and then I will share with you what's next. So I think the very first bag that I ever got that was black and monogram is this one. And here's the charm that usually goes on my Speedy. Maybe I'll just take it off and put it on my Speedy. But you guys, this is the Palm Spring PM. It's the perfect size. It's great for traveling. It's great for an everyday bag. And I really couldn't ask more for a bag. I love backpacks, and I love this one. I'm just so glad that I have it. Now, this is my second one because when I first got one, it was the reverse monogram. I loved it, but it was the old style zipper with the lip over it, and I couldn't handle it, you guys. I just could not handle it, and I gave it to my daughter, and she loves it. She puts a chain on it, and she said she hasn't ever had any problems with it, but it just drove me crazy. And this new style literally came out like the next week, so I just went ahead and picked this one up. But I love black and monogram. It's such, I don't know, they just go together so well. It's just, I don't know, it elevates the monogram. I think it just makes it look, I don't know, it just amps up the monogram and just makes it look classy, or maybe more, it just looks, What am I trying to say? Okay. The black and monogram just amps up the monogram. The black, you guys, it's been a long day. I don't know what I'm going to edit out, so I'm just rambling here. But at this point, I just want to say I love black and monogram, and I love this Palm Spring PM. I would love to have the mini, and I've looked at it so many times, or the smaller one, but I probably won't get it because it's too much like this one. Or is it? I don't know. I always change my mind. I've had it in my cart so many times and always back out. But black and monogram is definitely my jam, you guys. I love black and monogram. So this is the reverse monogram trunk clutch. This is one of my all-time favorite bags. It's not an everyday bag. It's a going out bag. It has the black leather. It has the reverse monogram. It also has a black leather strap with a chain, and it is adjustable. This is such a great bag. I am so glad that I got this one because I've told you guys I have been selling bags, mostly my contemporary bags, but I don't want bags just sitting on the shelf. Now this, like I said, this is not an everyday bag, but I definitely use it, and I've used it quite a bit. And I love to use it just as a clutch. I do use the strap, but I use it as a clutch even more. I just think it's so classy, so pretty. You cannot beat black and monogram and reverse monogram. This one is a bit different, and these are not a really high price point. I don't remember how much this was when I got it. I don't even know how much they are now, but I'm looking at one right now on FashionPhile for $23.05. So if I find some good deals on some of these bags, I'm gonna put them in the description box for you because somebody should grab this one up. This one looks great, and it says condition excellent, and I know I paid more than $2,300 for this. So I will link some of these bags below, and this is a bag that I would definitely recommend to just anybody because this is a fantastic bag. The next bag, when it first came out, I just didn't like it. And you know, it's a woman's prerogative to change our mind. I didn't like it at all. But we were in Panama City, and I feel like this is more of a fall bag, but it was in the summertime, and we were in the liquor store, and there was a girl there paying, and she had this bag, and she had it on the crook of her arm like that, and I thought, I didn't know that bag was so gorgeous in person because, I don't know, on the website it just didn't do anything for me. And I've seen other YouTubers, you know, unbox it back when it was new. I just wasn't crazy about it. I think I didn't like this part here, but now I do because look, you can carry it over your shoulder and the straps will fall down and it's more comfortable. And also it comes with a black strap that is adjustable, and it's quite thick, but I don't love this strap. I carried this bag a couple weeks ago, and I was walking downtown and my strap kept falling off my shoulder, which is very, very annoying. But most of the time I carry this bag handheld, but I have ordered something that I think is going to solve my problem. I'll share that with you guys later, but I do love it as a handheld bag. But this strap, it's kind of whack, you guys. I just don't love it. For me, I mean, maybe your shoulders are different than mine. Mine are kind of rounded, and it kept falling off my shoulder. And it's not really long enough to wear crossbody, the strap. So I highly recommend the bag with the black and monogram, but I'm not crazy at all about the strap. But this bag is spectacular. Now, these are supposed to come with a black luggage tag, and I wish I had one. I wish I could get a hold of one. If anybody sees one, let me know. I might contact Becca about it, but I bought it on FashionPhile. And most of my bags I've bought new in boutique, but this is one I found it in excellent condition, minus the tag was missing. I would love to have the tag. But anyway, guys, this is one of my favorite bags, and I've used it quite a bit. It's a great everyday bag, but just check out the beautiful monogram. I mean, it just gives it a little, you know what I'm saying? It just gives it a little something, something. And I'm at a loss for words on this video. I think because I'm so struck by the beauty of these monogram and black leather bags. All right, the next bag that I have, oh my gosh, it's the Louis Vuitton Passy. And this is probably one of my top 3 favorites. I mean, I say that all the time, but you guys, this bag is so good. I love it. And it's one of those bags that's at a lower price point for Louis Vuitton. So it's not too bad. And it has the back pocket, it's got the chain, and then it's got this leather, black leather break here in the chain. I've worn it crossbody and I've worn it over the shoulder. My favorite way to wear this bag is just over the shoulder. I love a flat bag, and I love the big LV. I think that is so pretty. The black LV, it's just beautiful. Look at the inside of it. Look at that. It's this beautiful, deep kind of Bordeaux microfiber, and it's got all these big roomy pockets, and this zips, and the back pocket here, and this big area here, and then this part, and it's big enough for my Pro Max 15 phone. Bam, that phone's a little bigger than my other one, but still it fits. See? And it has a very strong magnetic closure, you guys. This bag rocks. It is gorgeous. I absolutely love this bag. The next one, I'm in love with it, you guys. And I haven't had it too long, but when I first got it, I carried it like crazy. And it's my Odéon. And this is the larger size. It also comes in Pochette. I think it's treated Pochette. I'm not sure. But look at this beautiful bag, you guys. Oh my goodness, it is the best. The best bag. This would be the best traveling bag because I can just wear it crossbody. The strap is perfect, you guys. As a matter of fact, I could take this strap off this bag and put it on this one, because this one, like I said, I don't love the strap. That's one of the only cons really I can find about this bag. Oh, and this one also has feet, because we love feet on our bags, and this one doesn't. But this is a more casual vibe, and that's me. That's my style, a more casual style. I love it. That brings me to what is next for my collection. So there are several bags that I've been looking at, and I'm not in a hurry, you guys, because I really want to be mindful and calculated when I buy my bags, because there have been times that, like many of you, we've purchased bags and, you know, it just was like on a whim. So I don't want to do that because I have a very large collection, but there are certain bags, and I feel like there's certain holes in my collection and bags that I could use. But I definitely want to get, and I've already designed it, a world tour, never full. A couple of years ago, I ordered it. I thought it went through. I kept waiting, and you know, several weeks went by. Finally, I got an email from Louis Vuitton that they had to cancel my order. I was devastated, you guys, but I think I like the way I've designed it better this time. So I'm probably going to get that, because where else can you get a never full with black leather handles? And so that is definitely number one on my list as far as black and monogram bags go. And then I also love them. I don't know how to say it, so I'm going to put the pictures right up here. The Marceau, M-A-R-C-E-A-U, this one. I love that bag, you guys. I saw it when I was in the boutique, and I saw it for the first time in person, and it's stunning. And I also like that Bologna bag. Bologna. This one, I love that. I think that'd be a great bag that I would reach for time and time again. So I want to buy bags that I'm going to use. So those are like, all of those are like everyday bags, and I would cost per wear get my money, you know, my money's worth from them. As far as the new collections, you guys, I've been checking out the website this week. I just don't they don't do anything for me. I mean, I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings, but I do not like that denim collection. For one thing, even if I did like it, those prices, it's denim, okay? And I know this is canvas, but I'm not a denim bag girl anyway, so I don't know. I just don't like that collection. It doesn't do anything for me whatsoever. All right, guys, so that's really all I have for you today. It is freezing. We're expecting snow. Keith and I went and bought a few groceries, and it was pandemonium at Walmart, you guys. Just crazy. You couldn't even turn around. Ugh. I said, we got to get out of here. But I had to go in there and get some watercolor paper. I am planning on doing another vlog sale in a few weeks because I still have quite a few things to share with you guys that I just, you know, I want to get rid of. And if you're interested in these bags at a discount, just let me know. That's all for my video today. I'll have another video up either Wednesday or Thursday. I'm still trying to get on track because I never really made it this weekend. That's what I'm trying to do, you guys, but I'm still really not in my routine like I would like to be, but we'll get there. I'll be back in a few days with another video, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Stay warm. Peace.